I'm done.
You fucking pussy. Pussy, yeah, it's okay. Back in the door. Big guy. Oh, I see his butthole. Ah! Look at that butthole. Woo! Let's do that again. I'm exploring shit right now. Hey, cheese. Oh, that's so cute. He's trapped. Oh! He just picked that bitch up. He just picked that over. This is how he fucking found it. Look at him. He fucking is bad. Don't tweet that shit, dude.
Why?
What is that? Shaving cream?
Yeah.
Is that Kasuri?
Yeah.
Kasuri?
Correct.
That's not shaving cream. The shaving cream is white.
It is correct.
What is that? Tell me what that shit is. He's not to run away from. He's scared of guns and shit like that. Oh, he's fighting. Don't do that. That's supposed to be great.